In this video, I'll walk you through a step-by-step process for creating passive revenue with ChatGPT and AI with no money. I'm going to teach you everything you need to know to get started and succeed. The only thing I ask in exchange for your support is that you hit the like and subscribe buttons on this free video. Now let's get started with the video. Selling courses on Udemy is an excellent method to generate passive money, while also sharing your skills with a worldwide audience. You may reach a broader audience by utilizing the power of ChatGPT to produce high-quality, engaging material for your courses. Udemy is an online course selling platform that allows individuals and organizations to monetize their talents and knowledge. With Udemy, you can reach a large audience and earn money from your courses 24 hours a day, 7 days a week, even while you sleep. So if you want to establish a passive revenue stream while making a great impact on the world, try offering courses on Udemy and leveraging ChatGPT to create high-quality material. Once you've decided on a topic for your Udemy course, you should investigate the possible earnings you can expect. This will give you a good idea of how much money you may expect to make each month from your course. To investigate the potential revenue of your niche, look at other similar courses on Udemy to see how much they sell for and how many students have enrolled. You can also use keyword research tools, Google Trends, and other websites to determine the demand for courses in your niche. This will give you an idea of the level of competition you will face, as well as the potential earnings you can expect. Understanding your prospective revenue is vital, since it will help you set realistic expectations for your passive income stream and select the pricing for your course. By using ChatGPT, you can create a high-quality course that appeals to your target audience and helps you achieve your earnings goals. Let's now set up an account on ChatGPT. It is simple and straightforward to open a ChatGPT account. Simply visit OpenAI's website and create a free account. You will get access to the ChatGPT API after creating your account, which you can use to develop your course content. To make the content production process even easier, install AI-PRM from the web extension marketplace. It is a ChatGPT one-click prompts tool. AI-PRM is a product that integrates a collection of hand-picked prompt templates for SEO, SaaS, and other industries into ChatGPT. This makes it easier for you to quickly and efficiently develop high-quality content for your courses. Simply choose a prompt template that corresponds to your course topic, submit your details, and let ChatGPT produce the material for you. This not only saves you time, but also ensures that your course content is optimized for and fits the demands of your target audience. With AI-PRM, you can concentrate on other areas of course development, such as producing course materials, making interesting videos, and promoting your course to potential students. Now we're going to merge the text from ChatGPT and build a Google Slides presentation. A well-designed presentation will assist you in communicating your course topic to your students successfully. Follow these steps to create a Google Slides presentation. Select a basic and clear template. Choose a template that is easy on the eyes and provides a clear and structured framework for your course content. Insert photos, videos, and other media. Including photographs, videos, and other multimedia features will help keep your students engaged and improve the visual appeal of your course. Use clear and concise text. Keep your text clean, brief, and simple to read. Avoid using technical or sophisticated vocabulary that your students may find difficult to understand. After you've constructed your Google Slides presentation, you should capture your video with OBS Studio. OBS Studio is a free and open-source software that allows you to record your screen as well as your webcam at the same time. You can simply create high-quality video content for your Udemy course with OBS Studio. Finally, finish by uploading your course to Udemy. Udemy will manage course distribution and marketing, and you can begin earning passive money from course sales. It's that easy. Thank you for watching. If you like this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and hit the subscribe button to stay tuned for more. Share your thoughts and opinions in the comments below, and let's start a conversation. Until next time, take care and have a great day.